Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Rex Orange County. They released a new album here, and this time we will bring up One in a Million. So, great song, and like always, this Rex Orange County DNA will feel that in this song as well. So, that's great. We need to start with a capo here, set on the 4th fret. And we have, I believe, 6 different chords. Yeah, 6 different chords to go over. So let's start with those. We have first the A minor 7. That is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next chord will be G major 9. So that is third on E. Then I usually mute the A string with that finger I'm using on the E. So that will be open or muted A. Then open D, open G, open B, and second E. So that was the G major 9. The next one will be C major 7. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have B7. So you need to bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down, so that means 5 strings, and the rest will be 4th on D and 4th on B. And the final chord will be E minor 7. So that is just 2nd on A. All other strings are open. So that was the chords, and we have one chord progression that goes through the entire song. And that chord progression will be A minor 7 to D, to the G major 9, then to C major 7, then A minor 7 again, B7, and E minor 7. Okay, so that is the chord progression. We need to look at one strumming pattern that will work for this song, for the entire song, and we can illustrate that with an A minor 7, since that is the first chord. The strumming will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. So that is one round. So down, down, up, clap, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap, down, up. All right, so that is basically what we need for this song. Now we will go over how to handle them in how many strumming rounds. So we can just basically say that you will play 2 strumming rounds for all these chords in that chord progression, except from the last one, the E minor 7, you will play 4 rounds of the strumming there. So 2 A minor 7, 2 Ds, 2 G major 9s, 2 C major 7, 2 A minor 7, 2 B7, and 4 E minor 7. So one round of that chord progression with the strumming will sound like this. Alright, so that was basically Rex Orange County's One in a Million. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope to see you soon. Love your support, and don't forget, play tuned.